Buying a machine is easy, but here is the real question every serious investor asks. What happens after I buy? Do I get a real support? Or am I left to figure it all out alone? If you are considering an automatic washing machine, you know this is not just a purchase, it is the foundation of your business. And that's why today we are going to deep dive into one of the most important topics. What kind of support do you actually get when you choose Go&Go? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will see why choosing is the right partner matter just as much as choosing the right machine. Let's be honest, many companies sell machines, ship them, and then disappear. And for investor, that is the nightmare. Imagine buying a system worth thousands of dollars and not knowing who to call when you need help. With Go&Go, we have built our reputation on doing the opposite. When you buy from us, you don't just buy a machine, you are buying a full partnership. So what exactly does the product look like? First, there is the installation support. Our machines are complex systems, and we don't expect you to set them up alone. We send experienced technicians to your location. Within just a few days, your system is installed, tested, and ready to run. Every bolt, every wheel, every nozzle is checked, so you can open your door with confidence. Second, we provide hands-on training. Your staff will learn how to operate the machine, maintain it, and troubleshoot small issues. Why? Because we don't just want you to run the machine, we want you to master it. That means no downtime, no panic when something small comes up, and no unnecessary service call. Now think about this. In the traditional hand wash model, your biggest headaches are usually labor problems, quality complaints, and inconsistent service. With automation, you solve most of that, but only if you know how to run your machine smoothly. That's where after-purchase support becomes your biggest safety net. Go&Go offers 12 months of warranty for key components like motor, control board, and electric circuits. If something breaks down during that period, replacement parts are shipped directly to you. Small items go to by courier, large parts by safe rate, and here's is the key. Parts are free under warranty. You only cover the shipping cost. That's transparency, no hiding trick. But we don't stop at warranty. Even after the end, our support team will still with you. We provide detailed manuals, video tutorial, and direct hotline assistance. No matter if you are in Asia, Africa, or South America, you can reach us. You ask, we answer. And for big question, we can even arrange online video support sessions to guide your team step by step. And for investors who want to scale, here is something you will love: business support. We don't just sell you a machine, we sell strategy. How to price your service in your market, how to upsell with helmet cleaning or car wash add-ons, how to attract more customers with modern branding, because a successful client is not just a repeat customer, they are also our best ambassador. So let's put it all together. When you buy a Go&Go automatic bike wash machine, you are not just getting hardware, you are getting full installation support, comprehensive training for your staff, 12-month warranty with free parts, fast shipping of replacement worldwide, lifetime technical assistance via phone, email, or video, and proven business strategy to help you grow. Compare that to companies who just ship a box and say goodbye. The difference is clear. Go&Go does not leave you alone. We grow with you. So if you are serious about starting or expanding your motorbike wash business, choose a partner that stands by your side, not just one day but every day after. Click the link below, watch more of our client success stories, and talk to our team today. Because when you choose Go&Go, you don't just buy a machine, you buy peace of mind, growth, and a future-proof business. Connect with Go&Go today to explore export-ready machine for your country. Subscribe to this channel for more business insight and real-world strategy. And share this video to someone who bold enough to dream bigger. Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and test the machine before ordering.